Hi writers. Today you are going to create your own issue wall. Here is mine. It says some things that are bothering me or things that I have issues with are kids not having what they need to be successful, kids bullying other kids. Wearing a mask is a huge hot topic right now and something that I am very passionate about. E-learning at home and trying to teach at the same time, and then just the pressure of doing a good job. Your job today is to get your writing notebook or piece of paper, and you are going to create your own issue wall. Come up with at least 5 or 6 social issues or things that you care very deeply about. Write them down on your paper, take a picture of your issues, of your list, and then upload it into Kickstand.